How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today I'm gonna show you this: how to use instant video messages right here on WhatsApp. That's right, this is a brand new feature WhatsApp just introduced that's so cool and allows you to do this: send instant video messages that look so cool right here on your chats. It's so amazing. So I'm gonna show you all the details, but first let me show you how you can enable it and start using it. It's so easy. Okay, so as I said, this is a brand new feature, meaning we need to make sure WhatsApp is actually updated to its latest version. So all you have to do is open up the App Store, let it load, and then you can go ahead and go to search, and then search for WhatsApp itself. So look for WhatsApp right here. Tap on it, and then it's gonna show a few results. Tap on WhatsApp Messenger itself. Of course, this also works on WhatsApp Business, okay? So tap on any of the apps that you wanna use, wait a few seconds, and wait if it shows update right here. If it shows up update, tap on it, and then it'll automatically update to its latest version. If not, if it just shows open like mine, my WhatsApp is already updated. You don't have to do anything else right here. In just a few seconds, it'll show update. If it doesn't, it's cool, okay? So all you have to do now is come back to WhatsApp right here, and then the way you activate it is super easy. It's gonna live right here alongside your microphone button to send voice messages. So all you have to do to activate instant voice messages is tap on a microphone, not tap and hold, a single tap. So as you can see right here, tap on it, it's gonna switch to a camera. So then you have the feature. Tap on it once again, goes back to the microphone. So then as you guys can see, just tap on it, you'll see here the camera. All you have to do is tap and hold, swipe up. You see right here a countdown, and then it's already recording your instant video messages, and then you can start using the feature. You can start recording. As you see, there is this kind of timer here going around. This will indicate the amount of video you have left. You have 60 seconds to record this video message, up to 60 seconds. Of course, you can use less time, and of course, you can switch to your back camera as well. Come back. When you're good to go, you tap on it, and then you send the video, and it stays right here on your chat, playing automatically. So when the other person receives it, it's gonna autoplay. That's why it's instant and super cool. Of course, if you want to see in further detail and listen, if you want to have audio, tap on it, countdown, and then it's already recording your instant video. And as you can see, when you tap on it, it goes large, and you'll also have audio. And then that's literally it, guys. That's how you use it. That's how you use the new feature. Please keep in mind that just like all of the other new features in Meta, not just WhatsApp, but in Meta, all Meta apps are like that. They don't come for everybody on the same day. So WhatsApp is releasing this new feature for more and more users. Right now, most of the users already have it, but maybe even after updating, you won't have the feature. That's because, as I said, WhatsApp is releasing it gradually, okay? So that's pretty much it. That's another video on another very cool new feature on WhatsApp right here on Then About Tech. So see you guys later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.